Hey guys, I got my very first HelloFresh box. This one is supposed to be 2 meals. Supposed to be 4 servings. For around $40. Let's see. You get 3 cards with you can give somebody a box. You get a free gift of seltzer, welcome pack card. So we're gonna have looks like chicken. Okay, let's see if it's gonna be worth $40. Okay dokie. And then when our next meal is we got the Southwest beef. On the back side, guys, it tells you the directions, and it tells you here what you gotta do, and $100 wine voucher. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay. Recycle me. Ice pack. Put it in the freezer. Alright. We got this is for that beef. Ingredients which may be hiding under the ice. Okay. We got a free seltzer. Okay. This is the sheet pan Montgomery Jack unfried chicken. So that goes with that one. A tater. Really? Okay. Another bag of ice. Okay. Please tell me there's more than one tater. There's our ground beef. Here's our chicken. Okay. And then ain't no spices hiding under this, y'all. Empty box. Another ice pack. Really? You guys see nothing else in here. Alright, let's see. This should be enough in here to feed 4 meals. Okay, here's an extra tater. Get your cheese, breadcrumbs, ranch spice, carrots, more carrots, potatoes, mayonnaise, breadcrumbs, cheese, mayonnaise, hot sauce, 2 little packs, really. But it's these little potatoes. So, I'll come back tonight, do this recipe, and we'll see how it tastes. On that one. This is supposed to be enough to feed 4 people. Alright, let me see. And this one is for the pastas one, the beef pasta. Let's see what we got in here. We got cheese. We got pasta, tomato paste, onion, pepper, Southwest sauce, spices, beef, sour cream, more cheese, more pepper, more pasta, tomato paste, sour cream, some more hot sauce. You guys know this sauce here, it's not hot. And then you get the pack of hamburger meat. So we will do that one tomorrow. And see if it's worth. See how many pounds of ground beef this is. 20 ounces. I don't know, guys. We'll see. So guys, if you don't know anything about HelloFresh, I'll link it down in the description. Hope you guys enjoyed my first time opening HelloFresh.